Welcome to this video on what's new for GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code 1.125 that was released in June 2026. Follow me along as I demo new features. Enjoy! Having insights in your spending of your tokens is very crucial because nowadays we pay for the tokens that we use. And as you might know, if you hover over the Copilot icon here, you can see how many credits you have used. As I am nowhere near the limit, I can't really show this new feature, which is why I included the screenshot from the release notes to be able to show you what it looks like when you have used all of your credits and there is additional budget configured from your organization that you can use. Now you can also see how much % you have used of that additional budget. Bring your own key was introduced a while ago, first in the individual licenses and later on in the business and enterprise licenses. With Bring Your Own Key, you can host your own model, whether that be locally using Olama or any of the online model providers. To manage these models, you would go to the menu, the model menu, and there's a gear icon here to manage models, and you would click the Add Models button. I have subscription with Hugging Face. Hugging Face is another model provider, but it's not in the list here. So to be able to do that, I would need to add a custom endpoint to add models from Hugging Face, but there is now a way easier option. There's this button, Install Model Providers. It will take you to the extensions marketplace, and what extensions can now do is they can contribute their own model providers. And as you can see, there's a Hugging Face extension, so let me install that. That's just a few seconds work. And now if I go to the model menu or the model window, when I click Add Models, you see I have Hugging Face here. So that makes it really easy, and let me quickly copy paste my API key. And that should enable all of the Hugging Face models. So if I scroll down now, you can see that I have a huge load of Hugging Face models available. And let me go to the Quen models and pin one of these. It's a little bit lower. Here we are, Quen. So there is the, let's do it like this. You can also, of course, filter, which is a lot easier. There we go, the Quen 3. Let's take this, this one. That looks like a good model to me. I'll pin it so it's at the top of my list. So now let me select it. Oh, there's even previous pins that I had. Let's take the coder next. And now let's check if it works. So what is this project about? And as you can see, there we go. It is untangling the spaghetti and finding the answer for me using this, this model hosted in Hugging Face. So it's way easier now, but it is a feature that was already there that you could already use. It's just more simple.